Thanks for joining me today. I just want to take a couple of minutes to talk about our results and to look ahead to some of our priorities for 2008. So let me just start with the quarter. Overall, I think it was quite a good quarter. Our operating profitability was up 5.4%. That's the biggest improvement we've seen since at least 2004, so real progress there. How did we get it done? We got it done with solid productivity performance across the board. We got it done with very good financial management of the traditional areas of our business. We got it done with a remarkable turnaround in our enterprise business. We got it done with another solid quarter of performance in our video business. And very importantly, in our wireless business, a record quarter for new customers coming to Bell. So all of those things contributed to, I think, what is a very, very good quarter. Now, when I turn to revenues, I think there we were a little bit short of where we wanted to be. That's a result of a couple of things. First, the fact that our wireless business was not operating at the velocity that we would have liked in the first part of the year, and that had some carryover implications for us in the fourth quarter. And our ISP, our Internet Services business, where we do need to accelerate the rate of acquiring customers and improve our average revenue per customer. But overall, as I say, I would say a solid quarter and one in which we've met our basic commitments to the new investors in our company.
Laissez-moi faire quelques commentaires concernant l'année 2007. Nous avons amélioré notre EBITDA. Nos cash flows ont affiché un bon rendement. Nous avons rencontré notre objectif de base de stabiliser les pertes de lignes résidentielles alors que nous sommes engagés dans une guerre concurrentielle avec les câbleaux. Tout ceci est positif et établit une fondation solide pour l'année 2008. Par contre, nous n'avons pas du tout atteint les objectifs de notre plan d'affaires du côté des revenus. C'est principalement le résultat de difficultés que nous avons eues dans la première partie de l'année plutôt que dans la deuxième partie. Et en bout de ligne, cette croissance moins élevée des revenus a eu une influence importante sur le PRI. Finalement, un mot sur le service, l'expérience client en 2007. Il y a beaucoup de progrès, qu'il s'agisse des rendez-vous manqués, de la résolution au premier appel, de la satisfaction de nos clients par rapport à nos représentants dans nos centres d'appel. Tout cela démontre une amélioration constante. Ce n'est pas parfait. Nous pouvons toujours faire mieux et trouver des meilleures manières de mieux servir nos clients. Mais, une fois de plus, nous avons mis en place les éléments clés pour établir une bonne fondation pour l'expérience client en 2008. En conclusion, oui, nos revenus n'ont pas atteint le niveau que nous aurions souhaité. Mais dans l'ensemble, nous avons connu une année productive qui nous met sur la bonne voie pour 2008.
So, what are our priorities for 2008? Well, I think we've got 3 or 4 that are very important. First, and I always put it first, continuing to improve customer experience, customer service. That's the centerpiece of what we have to be as a company. And that's one of the reasons why we're working to achieve a little bit more flexibility in our labor agreements and the negotiations that we currently have underway with our technicians. That's really important, and we need to get that done. Number 2, we've got to really accelerate our Internet Services businesses, go out and win more customers and earn more profitable revenues in that area of the business. 3, we got to continue doing what we've been doing in really accelerating our wireless business, and boy, we've come a long way, but there's more to do on churn and on mix and on improving our average revenue per customer there. And then finally, as always, continuing to drive productivity in every corner of this business and continuing to deliver very high-quality financial management, particularly in the traditional areas of our business. So those are core operating priorities from my perspective as we head into 2008. Now, another obvious priority is that we need to get this transaction that we've been working on closed. That's clearly a centerpiece priority for me and for a number of other executives in the company. And again, there I think good progress. We've wrapped up the court proceedings in the lawsuit that some of our bondholders brought with respect to the transaction. I think that's gone well, and we expect a decision from the court sometime in February. Later on in February, we'll also start the regulatory approval process with hearings at the CRTC, and I hope that we'll get a decision from the Commission sometime in March. So yes, there's lots of turbulence around, and the capital markets are up and down and pretty volatile, but again, I think good step-by-step progress. And I think there's no better way to summarize that than with Jim Leach's comments of a few days ago, and Jim is the chief executive of Teachers, really the leader of the new investor group, when he said, we're going ahead with this transaction, we want to get it done on the terms that we negotiated at the end of June. So all of that, I think, is good news. What we need to do day to day on the operating side is continue to focus on the customer, continue to focus on hitting our business plan numbers, because that's how we'll keep building this great company. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.